how to add and link a bank account to crypto.com. This is a crucial step for managing your fiat transactions and ensuring smooth deposits and withdrawals. First, open the crypto.com app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on Accounts at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the section where you can manage your crypto and fiat accounts. In the account sections, tap on Fiat Wallet. This is where you can manage your fiat transactions and link your bank account. Tap on Add Bank Account. You'll be prompted to select your country to proceed with the linking process. Enter the required bank account details. This typically includes the bank account number, routing number for US banks, and the bank's name. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any issues. To ensure that account belongs to you, crypto.com may ask you to verify your bank account. This usually involves sending a small verification amount to your bank account and confirming the amount. Once you receive the verification deposit in your bank account, go back to the crypto.com app and enter the exact amount of the deposit to complete the verification. After verification, your bank account will be linked to your crypto.com account. You can now use it for deposits, withdrawals, and other fiat transactions. And that's it. You've successfully added and linked your bank account to crypto.com. If you have any issues or accounts, make sure to drop a comment below.